Hello guys, um welcome to my YouTube channel. um so I have something for you today. I'm not camera shy, it's been a while I've done something like this, so that's why I am like pausing and all of that, whatever. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, make comments. You can ask questions. um Basically, you know what this blog or this vlog basically is all about. I'm going to be dropping like tips, hacks, tutorials, step-by-step guides and all of that. And sometimes I would have to like do the talking, like to make, maybe to show you some personal like evidences and all of that. So I'm going to use myself as an example today, and I believe that there are some people out there struggling with whatever I'm struggling with. And one of the things I struggle with personally with my body is my face and my hair and my skin basically. So I'll dive right into what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to talk about this today, then I'll pick up some other topics like later on, but I'm talking about basically face reaction to my hair. I don't know if you guys have realized, because I know there are a lot of people that struggle with like pimples reactions, acne basically and all of that. I would like to enlighten some people. You can try it out. I don't know if it's going to work for you, but I believe it should. So I realized that, so my skin is very acne prone, like very acne prone. And I can say basically that my face is like very sensitive. And one of the ways I've discovered like over the years growing up and all of that is that part of what triggers my acne again is my hair. Like I have a very dry skin, so my scalp too is like very dry. And basically where I am at the moment, the weather is like very dry, and it's like has more impact on my hair. And my hair um tends to like get like dry and scaly and all of that. So one way I would advise that you can do to like prevent like the acne and all of that is try to cover your head. Like what faster way can I advise? Probably when you want to sleep, like use a bonnet, like the way everyone like tries to cover their hair. So you can do that. Cover your hair, or cover your like hairlines, something like that, like what I'm doing now using my headband. Like it's one of the good steps to prevent like flakes from your hair dropping on your face and your face reacting to it, especially if you have like a very sensitive face like mine. So my face starts to get like very like um rough, like very rough. Then I start having pimples like here and there. And over the years I never realized this, but with time I realized that, oh, this also like adds to it, apart from like other things like hormones and all of that. So I hope someone has learned something today. One of the ways to prevent pimples and acne and all of that is to cover your hair, or wash your hair weekly if you have time. I know that not a lot of people have time for like things like this, but if you can wash your hair weekly, like wash it weekly, like that helps too. Like it helps a lot. So basically, like I'm home at the moment, and that's why I'm like covering this. Sometimes I use my bonnet, sometimes I use like my wig cap, like I just use something to cover my hair. And then it helps to like make so right now my face is like very smooth, but if you look closely you'd see that I have like marks of past acne experiences and all of that. So this is one of the best advice I can give you: cover your hair, wash it like weekly, especially if you have like dry scalp like mine. I don't know what other people's scalp would be apart from dirt. Mine is like dry and scaly scalp, like very dry, like very dry. So I usually, and one other thing I do again, yes, let me drop this tip. I spray my hair with water. Like I spray it every morning. Sometimes when I see like my scalp is like peeling again, like dry, I try to spray again. So I got a bottle from Amazon. I would, maybe when I make another video, like more detailed video, I would tell and show you guys some of the things I use, and at least I can bring some people into this better journey of taking care of your hair, face, managing acne properly. But some are lucky and some are not. So thank you for watching. If by now you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Like, you have a lot. We have a lot to learn from each other, and I have a lot to offer. Like, things, tips, hacks, tutorials, and all of that. Basically, if you read my bio, you'd see more information of things to expect, so you know the reason why you have to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and see you another time on Trailblazer. Bye.